Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful Monday so far. Today we're going to look at a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat in a black metallic exterior. I would also just like to point out that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is these gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way down the side, you'll also see that it comes with running LED fog lights with this beautiful chrome bumper here. Not to mention, you will have a tow hook here in the front for all of your towing needs. As we come up from the tow hooks, you also see that beautiful black grille insert along with the chrome trim. Not to mention that beautiful patented blue Ford logo with the chrome accent there. And then finally here for the front end, you'll also see that it comes with a front end cover, keeping all that the bug debris and any rocks possibly damaging your front end here. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to point out here on the exterior before we hop in and show you guys the beautiful interior. Here on your rear view mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators on the back. And on the front, you will have blind spot monitoring for your added convenience. Not to mention, for your added convenience, you will have running boards here along the bottom for getting in and out of the vehicle. And then finally here on your door handles, you will have a button to get in and out. As long as that key's in your pocket and you press that, it will lock. And then as long as your hand is on the back, it will open right up. But moving forward, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. It's going to come with a premium black leather interior. Not to mention this beautiful black dash with some of your chrome accents, not to mention some of this wood accent here. You will also have this beautiful LED mood lighting. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific F-150, your tire depths for the left and right front will be 7 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 8 and 32 seconds, with both brakes being 14 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful premium black leather interior will stay the same. A couple of things to point out back here as well. Behind your driver and passenger seat, you will have two cup holders up front, a 400-watt outlet up top, your heated seat options for these back seats, and a 12-volt plug-in here as well. Then, not to mention, here in between the seats, you will have a pull-down center console with two cup holders up here in the front. You'll just press that open, and it'll pull right out. Here at the rear now, there are a couple of things to point out back here. You will have a hitch and receiver for all of your towing and hauling needs. Not to mention, don't ever worry about backing up into anything because this vehicle will come equipped with backup sensors. Not to mention a backup camera so you can see anything coming. And then while we're back here, we're going to go ahead and show you guys the process for opening up the tailgate and showing you guys the bed. So this will come with a beautiful hardcover bed cover. While we're back here though, let's go ahead and show you guys how to actually open it. So this front part will open up like that. And then it is a little heavy, so you'll push that open. And then there is an electronic button here to go ahead and drop your tailgate. Now this is gonna come with a beautiful black drop-in bed liner. Not to mention you will have all of your typical lighting as well as your hooks back here for strapping down anything you can possibly need. And then for your added convenience of getting in and out of the bed, you will just press this button here in the front. This will pop out, allowing for a step up. Gonna go ahead and show you guys, I am about 175 pounds and 6'2", and it holds my weight pretty well. This F-150 is gonna come equipped with keyless entry as well. But moving forward to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and seat memorization, not to mention power seat options. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here on your driver display from Ford. Not to mention, this vehicle is going to come with just over 60,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, up top here, you will have the option for your blind spot monitoring on your left and right rear view mirror. Right below that, you'll have the brightness to your driver display on the right side, as well as all of your headlight options there in the middle on that turn knob. And then down below there, you will have the option to raise and lower your pedals. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The left side of your steering wheel, up top, you will have your driver display options. And then here you'll have your cruise control options. And then on the right side, you'll have some middle display, such as your volume and skipping songs. And then your touch to talk will be down below that as well. Coming here over into the middle, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation there, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. If you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, there are some manual options located there below as well. Not to mention the climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention these front seats are heated and cooled. Now the left knob here up top will be your 2 high, 4 automatic, 4 high, and 4 low option there, as well as some of your other towing options. Then down below you will have a small storage compartment equipped with 2 USB plug-ins as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Your beautiful shifter knob will be there with another small storage compartment running through the middle and 2 cup holders. Let's go ahead and open up the center console. You're going to have a large center console with a small storage compartment up top with some coin holders there on the side. I forgot to mention that over here beside your large touchscreen display, you will have another 12-volt plug-in as well as a 400-watt outlet. To end off the interior features, up top you will have the lighting option for your driver and passenger. Not to mention a sunglass holder and the option to open and close your rear view window. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.5 liter V6F DOHC 24V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I said in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. These rims are in very good condition, especially this front right one. Making our way down the passenger side of the body, here on your rear view mirrors, you will have some slight imperfections there on the back. Coming along the body, you are going to have some scratches here on the door. Once again, this passenger rear wheel is in great condition. Coming along here to the rear, you are going to have your typical trunk scratches back here. Once again, this driver rear wheel hub is in very good condition. And then here on your driver's door, this is going to be heavily marked up, just to give you guys a heads up on that. And then this front right tire is in great condition as well. This is an extremely clean 2016. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in Collinsburg, PA.